Welcome to our comprehensive guide on using Slow DNS configuration files with HTTP, custom, and SOCKS IP tunnel VPNs. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you have a secure and optimized internet connection. If you're interested in UDP config files, be sure to check out our previous video on setting them up with HTTP custom. For more detailed tutorials, don't forget to follow our blog. If you find this content helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. To begin, open your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. In the search bar, type Slow DNS config files and press enter. From the search results, locate and click on the UDP custom website. This will be our source for downloading the necessary configuration files for secure internet browsing. Step 2. Once you've landed on the UDP custom homepage, look for the menu button in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button to reveal a list of available options. This menu is your gateway to accessing various VPN configurations and tools. In the menu, you'll find an option labeled Slow DNS Configs. Click on this to access the submenu, where you'll see two choices: HTTP custom Slow DNS files and SOCKS IP tunnel Slow DNS files. We'll be downloading both types of VPN configurations, so let's proceed one at a time. First, click on HTTP custom Slow DNS files. On the subsequent page, you'll see a list of available config files. Choose one that suits your needs and click to download it. The download should complete within seconds. Next, return to the previous menu and repeat this process for the SOCKS IP tunnel Slow DNS files. By the end of this step, you should have two separate configuration files saved on your device. Now that we have our configuration files, let's ensure we have the necessary VPN applications installed. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for HTTP Custom VPN. Download and install this application. Similarly, search for SOCKS iTunnel VPN and install it as well. These two apps will be essential for implementing our Slow DNS configuration. Let's start with the HTTP Custom VPN. Launch the application and look for a plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap this icon, then select the Open Config button to import a file. This action will initially navigate you to the HTTP custom folder. From here, go back to your device's main directory and locate the Downloads folder. Find the HTTP custom Slow DNS file you downloaded earlier and tap to import it. Now let's configure the SOCKS IP tunnel VPN. Open the app and look for three dots in the top right corner. Tap these to open a menu, then select the Import/Export option. Choose Import to begin the file import process. Navigate to your Downloads folder and select the SOCKS IP tunnel Slow DNS file you downloaded previously. With both configuration files successfully imported, you now have the flexibility to choose which VPN you'd like to use for secure browsing. Once you've made your decision, simply tap the Connect or Start button within the chosen VPN app to initiate your secure connection. You've now successfully set up Slow DNS configurations for both HTTP custom and SOCKS IP tunnel VPNs. This setup will provide you with a more secure and potentially faster internet browsing experience. Remember to always use VPNs responsibly and in accordance with local laws and regulations. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.